Hello students, our today's practical is related with meiosis cell division. Students, before this we have observed the slide of mitosis cell division. We have studied all the phases of mitosis cell division, their features. We have studied that mitosis cell division takes place in somatic cells, or you can say body cells. But the meiosis cell division, it takes place in reproductive cells, or you can say in germ cells. So here you can see the diagram of some phases, but before going to discuss about the phases, we must know something about meiosis cell division. As I have told you that meiosis cell division takes place in germ cells. It is actually a double division which occurs in diploid cells and give rise to 4 haploid cells, each having half the number of chromosomes as compared to the parent cell. So, and it occurs in the cell that produce gametes in sexually reproducing organisms. The male gametes, that is sperm, are produced in testes, and the female gametes, that is eggs, are produced in ovaries through meiosis cell division. Meiosis comprises of 2 divisions. As I have told you, the first division is meiosis first and the second is meiosis second. Meiosis first results in the reduction of chromosomes number to half, that is from 2n to n. Hence we call it as reductional division. But meiosis second, as it maintains same number of chromosomes, that's why this division is known as equational cell division. The various phases of the meiotic divisions are: in meiosis first, the first phase, that is prophase, it is the longest phase. It comprises 5 subphases. That is, the first subphase is leptotene, the second one is zygotene, third one is pachytene, the fourth one is diplotene, and the fifth one is dikinesis. Metaphase first, after that prophase. Here the prophase first is finished, then comes metaphase first, then anaphase first, after that telophase first. At the end of telophase first, formation of 2 haploid nuclei takes place. Then after this, meiosis second, that is equational division, starts. In this, the first phase is prophase second, then metaphase second, then anaphase second, after that telophase second, and at last the process of cytokinesis, that is division of cytoplasm, results into 4 haploid daughter cells, forms a diploid cell. So this is a little basic idea about meiosis cell division. In second part, we will study its all phases.